Well, hello again, this is Dr. Will, and my next task is to fix a very wobbly wall with this special Express Cement premium stuff. So let's go and take a look. Okay, so as you can see, it's become quite unstable. It's quite wobbly. There's lots of loose render. The wall got knocked. So we have to sort out all these little cracks, and we'll see how we go. So this is about an hour, 2 hours later. I'm really pleased to say I'm pushing the wall, I can't move it. It's actually set solid. So that's fantastic, fantastic result. What I might have to do is just sand down a little bit in places. So I'll get that little sand down, but it's dry to a nice colour. But the most important thing is that I can't move it. The wall is now solid. And that was just a little bit of work, 10 minutes work, and the cement cost me £5, so can't grumble with that. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you enjoyed the video.